If you click on the Settings button within the Etsy tab, Settings open in an overlay with 4 main groups of settings: Quantity Sync from Etsy, Edit from Nembol, List to Etsy, and Import from Etsy. In this video, we're looking at the Import from Etsy settings. This settings is used for all of you sellers wanting to extract their listings from one of their Etsy stores and have them in Nembol, and then from Nembol either populate their Easy website or populate some other channels such as a second Etsy account, or maybe eBay, Shopify or WooCommerce and Facebook catalog, and so on. You can pick the status you want to import, and you can also select an import from a specific shop section, which is not a category, it's the section of your Etsy store. Very important setting is the import updates. If you keep this on, when you click import, Nembol will get all the updates you may have done in the meantime, meaning since the previous import, to all your products in Etsy. This means that you may actually edit your product within Etsy, then you click import and Nembol will get the new products into Nembol, and also will correct, will edit, will improve all the older products already in Nembol according to the changes you may have made in Etsy. Or if you keep it off, Nembol will only get the new products and not the older ones. Once you pick to your settings, click Save Changes, as I did now, and then you're ready to either list or import products from Etsy.